Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gear to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're looking at the Viofo A229 Pro Dash Cam, a comprehensive solution for capturing your driving experience inside and out. Now, dash cams have become essential for many drivers, offering peace of mind and crucial footage in case of accidents or incidents on the road. But not all dash cams are created equal. Let's see what sets the Viofo A229 Pro apart. First off, let's talk about what you get with this package. The Viofo A229 Pro isn't just one camera, it's 3 cameras in one box. That's right. You get coverage for the front, rear, and even the interior of your vehicle. The main unit boasts a 4K Sony Starvis 2 sensor, ensuring crisp, clear footage of the road ahead. And with its wide 140-degree field of vision, you won't miss a thing. Setting up the A229 Pro is a breeze. You can plug it into your car's 12-volt socket for easy installation, or a more permanent setup, you can hardwire it in. Plus, the included micro SD card is a nice touch, making it even easier to get started. But what about night driving? Well, with dual HDR technology and Sony Starvis 2 sensors, this dash cam excels in low light conditions, capturing clear footage even in the darkest of nights. And let's not forget about the intelligent parking mode. With G-sensor functionality, the A229 Pro can detect any movement around your vehicle, ensuring you're covered even when you're not behind the wheel. But perhaps one of the standout features is the voice control capability. With hands-free simplicity, you can control recording, connectivity, and more, all without taking your eyes off the road. In conclusion, the Viofo A229 Pro Dash Cam is a top-of-the-line solution for any driver looking for complete coverage on the road. With its impressive features, easy setup, and reliable performance, it's worth considering for your next dash cam upgrade. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more reviews on Product Critique.